This aluminum hand truck and stair skid from Strongway makes it easy to move heavy loads anywhere you need to go, even upstairs. Easily maneuver around your space and up stairways with a continuous flow handle. Manage loads up to 660 pounds on the lightweight yet durable aluminum construction. Transport all your cargo wherever you need to go. Roll it all smoothly on the 10-inch polyurethane wheels or up and down stairs using the built-in skid plates. Easily move heavy loads upstairs with this aluminum hand truck and stair skid from Strongway.